Hello, my name is Tony Rapaz. I'm with the company called Endura-Form. I was the founder and the creator of Endura-Form. Endura-Form established 2008, and I started in the small business, mom to pop, talked to some local people. We got snow melt on the driveways. But in 2013, we started doing a 3,000 and 8,000 square foot as the time went by. Now we do the bigger floors, because our floor goes from 10 square feet, one pad, to 10 million square feet if you prefer. It's just added or subtract. Very easy to deal with it. Well, Endura-Form panels are made in British Columbia, Canada. They are produced from recycled material or virgin material. It depends what the client requires, depending on the quality of the work that has to be done. For example, if it's going to be just a walk pad, not much weight, they could use recycled material because recycled material is just as strong as the virgin material. However, because it's recycled material, we cannot guarantee the payload that can take it. But virgin material, we can guarantee better because we know 100% what's in the parts. Other clients are car rentals, color-only colors in British Columbia, Prince George. We have also a large pad in Northern Quebec, using for aircraft, refuel aircraft stations at a very cold temperature, and the product is thinning up. This product will stand up to minus 70, or could even go at the temperature 45 to 70 degrees. Very high temperatures. Depends on the property side, on the properties, the climate, the environment will be issued. We can tailor the environment with the climate, which in some cases, if it's very cold, we have to use a different resins. It's very hard to use different resins. So it's up to the client what the client requires. As far as I know, I don't have a competitor in the world. With researchers in various parts of the world, as far as I know, best of my knowledge, there's not another product like it. First of all, it's very lightweight. At 10 square feet, weighs the top and bottom piece weighs only 60 pounds. The payload of that is over 1 million pounds. They can take virgin material or recycled material. The temperature could go up as high as 70 degrees, but it can go also minus 7. Not a problem. Now, the other thing about when the product is melting ice and snow, what makes it different from anything in the market, the water evaporates. There's no water buildup. For example, give a quick idea. Many floors are available with rainy flooring. What happens as the snow melting, it builds up a large amount of water and ultimately creates a bit of a mess. Slushy, muddy, and so on and so forth. With Endura-Form, as the snow hits the floor, Endura-Form, the snow goes right back up to the environment, melts right up and gets evaporated. That's a great big difference and a lot of savings for cleanup. No cleanup messes in this particular situation. Well, the Endura-Form, the next step, we would like to have a better marketing. Right now, in the last few years, I've been doing 100% myself. I've been in the bank, I've been designing, I've been marketing. Everything has been on one person. Now, this project could be very, very large worldwide, and there's no way one man can have them all. I'm seeking for partners, for people who understands the product. This product has multi functions. We calculated you could have as many 50 different functions of this product. So it was a very versatile and could work anywhere in the world. It could be heated by solar powers, electric, diesel power, any fuels is available at the moment. But solar power, that's probably the way it's going to be down the future. What we're looking forward to is to work with governments worldwide, because this product has a very important application. Helipads. A helicopter today, when the helicopter takes off or lands down, it stirs up a lot of dust, a lot of gravel, and that's very expensive to fix the helicopter, excuse me. When the helicopter lays on the Endura-Form, there's no dust, there's no mess, and makes the man down the ground much cleaner. They don't have to breathe. And we have some tests. We have videos of at the Endura-Form with a helipad coming down. There's no dust whatsoever. And we could expand in many different areas. Now, whatever is cold, this product has a major application in many parts in Europe and India, Himalayas, and various other places. This product will be a cat's meow because when it's melting the snow, it keeps the floor nice and clean. No mess whatsoever for cleanup. No extra things you have to worry about. Just simply turn the switch on and the product goes to work. I don't have to shovel snow. In the morning, when I wake up and I see the other poor guys, working men like myself, shoveling the snow, and I hear the most unusual comments. The other guys say, "Get back to bed, get out of here." They have to get up early. I see the other guys shoveling, working away. I'm simple, turn automatic system, turns the button on, the melting the snow away, no mess. I turn my car on, I drive away, no problem whatsoever. When I return, after all the snow is melting, I don't have a water buildup at the end of the driveway because out of water evaporates. On the other heated driveways, the water runs down the ramp and the bottom of the driveway, the water builds up because the snow. You cannot drive in your driveway because the ice build up. Anybody has a heated driveway, that won't make problem. We don't have that problem. This product has been tested. I worked very hard to develop this, to make it perfectly, and I'm very pleased to introduce it to the world. The product works fantastic. If you wish to put electric wires, cables, you can, optical cables for that matter, you can run it in the space. Every inch, you got 1 inch. Every inch on the road, you have 1 inch space to put cables, pipes, wires, whatever is required. And the top of it, you can drive on it. If you have to replace those cables for on the sidewalks and in the major cities now, there's a lot of new cities, they're getting developed new concepts of cities, a different type of driveways, the piping, all those wires. Quite often, when they have to repair it, it's a nightmare. They have to dig it. Here, you simply remove the bolts, fix the cables, whatever has to be done, bolt it back, within 2 hours you're back to work. Now, one of the most annoying things happening to all the cities on this planet is when you're driving on the road, the roads are blocked because they're digging to fix the pipes, to fix the wires, fix the thing. Here, these sidewalks, you can easily remove the bolts, you can open it up, do what they have to do, put it back on, half an hour, an hour, they're back to work and spend days, and traffic jams and so on and so forth. But on the weekends, I usually work as a rule. However, I enjoy and go for walks in the parks, paddle a bike if I have a chance. I enjoy swimming, and I take a stroll with my wife time to time, whenever she allows me.